Different sounds for letter X. Next, number 3. Sometimes letter X will be at last of the word and it will be silent because of the French loaned words. Okay, for example, roux. Next, number 4. When letter X is at the beginning of the word, then letter X makes Z sound, which is letter Z sound. Like in the word xylophone, the word like Xerox. Next, number 5. Okay, sometimes letter X makes SH sound in between the words. For example, anxious, complexion, sexual. Letter X makes sh sound in between the word